Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Tacoma headlights is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your truck. Not only do they dramatically improve visibility, especially during nighttime driving or in adverse weather conditions, but they also significantly enhance the overall aesthetic of your vehicle. Whether you're looking for a brighter beam, a more modern look, or simply need to replace worn-out headlights, this video will guide you through the best options available. Number 5. DWVO Headlight Assembly for Tacoma Pickup Truck. These headlight assemblies are designed for 2005 to 2011 Tacoma models. They use H4 bulbs, which are not included. This ensures a perfect fit for your vehicle. The integrated metallized reflectors boost light distance. This enhances visibility and improves driving safety, especially in low light conditions. The fully sealed structure keeps moisture out. This design ensures reliable performance in various weather conditions, including rain, snow, and dust storms. Constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses, it protects against road debris. The high-impact housing also withstands shock and vibration during off-road adventures. This product is a direct replacement for your old headlights. It comes as a pair, including both the driver and passenger sides. Professional installation is highly recommended. What we like. This headlight assembly significantly boosts your visibility with its improved illumination. It's also fully sealed to keep moisture out, ensuring reliable performance in any weather. If you frequently drive in challenging conditions, like rain, snow, or off-road, this is a great choice. It's built tough to withstand road debris and trail hazards, making it perfect for your adventures. What people say. They fit the existing brackets just right and no issue adjusting the elevation of the light beam. Plastic is super clear and they look great. They look like factory replacements, excellent fit and finish. They lined up perfectly. These lights installed easy, they look great, the light pattern was good as expected, they adjusted out easily, was real happy with them. The only reason I didn't give them 5 stars cause I had to repair the reflector piece in the center on both lights, they were loose, one was crooked, but it was easy to fix that and the lights worked out really good. This is the second set I bought to get a light that would light the road like it should and they did great for that. Number 4. ACANII LED headlights for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Introducing the new AKKON LED headlights, designed with a unique sequential LED tube. This innovative design enhances the look of your vehicle while providing superior lighting performance. These headlights are brand new and come in their original packaging. They have never been installed before, ensuring you receive a fresh, high-quality product. The package includes a pair of headlights, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. This complete set ensures a balanced and upgraded look for your truck. Featuring an exclusive LED tube projector design, these headlights offer a better light pattern compared to traditional crystal headlights. This design improves visibility and safety. Installation is simple and straightforward with a plug-and-play design. No modifications are needed, making it easy to upgrade your vehicle's lighting system. These headlights are DOT, Department of Transportation, and SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers, approved. You can be confident in their quality and compliance with safety standards. What we like. These headlights feature a new, exclusive LED tube design. They offer a better light pattern compared to traditional headlights. If you're looking for an easy upgrade with a modern look and improved visibility, this plug-and-play option is ideal. It's also DOT and SAE approved, ensuring it meets all safety standards. What people say. The white running lights look a lot more modern than the yellow ones Tacomas have had for a long time. Fit very well, as good as stock. Plug and play, super easy install. The housing looks great, so LED is great. Meant to take a video of the sequential turn signal. It looks sick. Number 3. AmeriLite Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2011 LED headlights. These headlights are designed specifically for your Toyota Tacoma. They are a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit without any modifications needed. It's the ideal upgrade for your vehicle. The headlights meet or exceed all regulations in the US and Canada. You can be confident that they are safe and legal for use on the road. They provide excellent visibility. Installation is a breeze with these headlights. They are a direct OEM replacement, meaning no modifications are required. You can easily install them yourself. This set includes both the driver and passenger side headlights. You'll receive everything you need to upgrade your entire front lighting system. It's a complete and convenient solution. We stand behind the quality of these headlights with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty. You can purchase with confidence knowing that your investment is protected. It's a risk-free purchase. What we like. This pair of headlights features a dual LED tube design. They are a direct OEM replacement, making installation straightforward. If you need a simple upgrade that meets all regulations, this is a great choice. It's a complete set, including both driver and passenger sides, and it's DOT and SAE approved. What people say. Once that was done, it was a simple plug and play. Great looking lights, and I am very pleased. Really updated the second-gen look. The headlamps were easy to install. I chose these because no rewiring was needed. The cables plugged into the existing connections. Installation was basically identical to what you would need to do to OEM headlights. Plug and play, no issues. Number 2. AKKON LED headlights for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Introducing the AKKON LED headlights, designed specifically for your 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma SR and SR5 models. These headlights offer a modern upgrade, enhancing both the look and functionality of your truck. This headlight features full LED functionality, providing brighter and more efficient illumination. It also includes a unique welcome light design and sequential turn signals, making it stand out on the road. The projector design offers a superior light pattern compared to traditional headlights. This means better visibility and a safer driving experience, especially at night. These headlights are DOT and SAE approved, ensuring they meet all necessary safety standards. Please note that some wiring modifications might be needed for the halo and LED connections. While these headlights are designed for easy integration, professional installation is highly recommended. There is no installation guide included, so consult with a mechanic for the best results. Please note that it fits 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma SR/SR5 models. It does not fit limited TRD models. Make sure it is the right fit for your car. What we like. These headlights boast a full LED feature and a unique welcome light design with a sequential signal. The new trend projector design provides a superior light pattern. If you want the latest in headlight technology and a distinctive look for your Tacoma, consider this. However, professional installation is highly recommended. What people say. They fit my 2021 Tacoma SR5 perfect. I didn't have to make no modifications or add no extra wires, it was simply plug and play. Where the light shines has to be adjusted, but there is 2 screws to adjust high beams and low beams. I love the headlights, they look good and have great visibility. Now the only complaint I would have is the install was very difficult. The so-called plug and play was difficult due to it having a lot of wiring first to get DRLS and to wire up the turn signals. If you're not mechanically inclined, I don't recommend these, but if you are and know how to splice wires, you should be fine. Overall, great headlights. Number 1. ACANII Toyota Tacoma Headlights, Corner, Parking and Bumper Lamps. Introducing the ACANII Headlight Assembly for your Toyota Tacoma. This is a complete set for both the driver and passenger sides, ensuring optimal visibility. These lights meet all regulations in the USA and Canada. The DOT and SAE stamps guarantee that it meets the safety standards. This is a direct replacement for your stock assembly. The lenses are designed to provide full illumination and maximize safety on the road. Installation instructions are not included. It is recommended that a qualified individual perform the installation. Please note that a signature may be required upon delivery. We offer a 30-day return policy. If you are not satisfied with it, you can return it within 30 days. What we like. This set includes headlights, corner parking signal lights, and bumper lamps. It meets all regulations in the USA and Canada, with DOT and SAE stamps. If you need a complete lighting solution for your older Tacoma, this is a great option. The lenses ensure full illumination and maximum safety. What people say. Added LED bulbs and now I have great illumination on the road. All lights fit nice and snug. Looks fantastic, fits like OEM and I can see again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.